In today's video, you will learn how to subscribe LearnDash users to your CRM and email marketing lists. So to begin, from our WordPress dashboard, we're going to go to MailOptin, then Settings, and on the left, we'll go to LearnDash Integration. Now I'm going to select MailerLite as my integration. Yours could be different. We'll just wait a few seconds, and now we'll need to select an email list. Now here, I'm going to select a list from MailerLite. I'll use LearnDash, which is specifically a group in my MailerLite audience. Here we'll see options to map custom fields. I'm going to skip this. Moving on, we can either subscribe our students automatically or ask for permission. Right below this, we have our 2 subscription messages. I'm going to keep both and click Save Changes. And once we're done saving our changes, we can now go ahead and test out our integration. So I'm going to go ahead and find a LearnDash course. I'm going to open the courses page in a new tab. And what I want to do right now is find a course and open it in a new incognito window. And that gives us a logged out status. So let's log in to enroll. We'll need to register. So let's enter a username and password. And I'm going to enter some random information, and that's going to be our imaginary student. Let's click on register. And we're also going to click on take this course to be on the safe side and ensure that we register. So once that registration is done, we can close this and we'll head over to MailerLite to see if our student's information was passed on. So I'm going to quickly refresh this. And if we go to our LearnDash group, we'll see the student that we just registered. Next, we're going to touch on subscribing students for specific courses to specific lists. So to demonstrate this, I'm going to use a different course. I'm going to click on Edit. And once the editor opens up, I'm going to go to the toolbar on the right-hand side. I'll go to MailOptin integration. Once again, I'm going to use MailerLite, but in your case, you could use anyone. So we're just going to use a different list from MailerLite. In this case, it's going to be watercolor. Now, of course, you can always go ahead and map your custom fields, but we're going to skip this again. I'm going to go up and click on Save. And once again, we can go back to our courses and we'll view this watercolor course in a new incognito window. Okay, so again, I'm going to log in to enroll. We'll register. And I'm going to enter all of my student information. We'll click on register again. And we're going to click on take this course. Okay, so now we can close this window and go to MailerLite to see if our information was passed on. So in MailerLite, we're going to go to our subscribers, then groups, and we'll see that our watercolor group now has 1 subscriber. If we view the group, we'll see the student information that we just entered. Okay, so this is how you can subscribe your LearnDash users to your CRM and email marketing software. Thank you for watching and see you next time.